Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent electrical shorts. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Have your basic tools ready, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to the removal. Use your serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire, usually secured with a nut, and then unplug the electrical connector. With the wiring free, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Gently work the old unit free and remove it from the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully guide the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert and hand tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the main power wire, ensuring the nut is snug, and then plug in the electrical connector until it clicks. Double-check all connections for tightness. Almost done. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys using your tensioner tool to create slack. Once the belt is correctly seated, reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should now be off. For a final check, use a multimeter to confirm your charging system is producing between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.